Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Moto Insane. And today I'm out early in the morning to make a vlog for you guys. As you can see, I'm near Southwinds, my usual shooting area. So today's vlog is about the MT-15. As I've already seen in my channel that you guys are really interested about the MT-15, and a lot of views in my channel are from MT-15 videos, so I figured why not make another video. So this video is going to be regarding the modifications on the MT-15, the MT-15 that I own, what kind of modifications that I have done on my bike, a little knickknacks I'm going to show you. So it's going to be a short video, but I hope you guys like this video. Also, the background looks awesome, just look at it. Okay, so the first obvious thing that I have seen a lot of people commenting on my video and asking me about it are the handguards. Yes, these are the KTM Duke handguards. There are no OEM handguards that come for the MT-15, so these ones are retrofitted to the MT-15, and let me remind you guys, these are not direct fit. You have to do a little bit of modifications, as you can see right here, to get it fixed, but it's quite easy. Any mechanic can do that for you. So that was the hand guard for you guys. Also, as you can see, KTM type indicators installed all over. All 4 of the indicators are changed on this bike. As you can see, this one is also an LED. Also, this one is also an LED. I'll show them to you in a couple of seconds how they look. This is my Axor helmet right here. And coming to the next modification are these frame sliders. Yes, they do have the Yamaha logo, but they are not original. Let me tell you that. No guys, they are not original. They are knockoffs, but these are some of the premium quality ones. I think they cost me around 1250 rupees. Also I forgot to mention the price of the handguards. So these costed about 900 rupees. Near about that, it's been a long time I forgot, but near about 900 rupees for those. And for the indicators, 250 a pair. These are KTM lookalike indicators. Let me remind you, these are not the original KTM ones, because that cost upwards of 1800 rupees for all 4 of them. Coming to the next modification, as you can see, obviously this is the tail tidy. So this is a CNC tail tidy, and as you can see, it's a direct fit over here. So no modifications whatsoever, and these are the LED indicators. This CNC tail tidy also comes with a number plate light, LED light, which looks really good in the night. So this is the CNC tail tidy, and it costed me about 1250 rupees from an offline store. This is a really nice quality, and also looks quite good on the bike. Comment down how it looks on the bike. And another very important thing that you must install on your bike is the tank guard, because as you know, belts and other buttons from our t-shirts and jackets might scratch up the tank, so it's better to put a tank guard. So this tank guard costed me about 250 rupees. It's a really nice quality tank guard. There are cheaper ones available as well, so it's up to you. And the last thing, also more modifications coming on the way, but this is as far as I have gone. The last thing that is, I don't know if you can see it, there is a PNP hazard flasher by Simtac. It's a plug and play hazard flasher, so no wires cutting, no warranty void, no nothing, just simply plug and play, and it works as time. It's also waterproof, so it is one of the best that you can find. Also there are 300 to 400 rupees flashers available, but I ask you not to go for those ones. This is one of the best ones. So let me show you how it works. This is the switch. This is the switch that comes along with it. Also there is another switch below it to change the pattern. You don't have to do that left, right and that bullshit. You can just use this switch to change the pattern. Let me show you to you guys. Let me turn it on. Let me show you. So this is how the indicators look. It's set on random at first, so it will automatically keep on changing the patterns. But if you go over here and change the mode by pressing this button, it will stay on the mode that you have selected. Also it has memory function, so the next time you turn on the bike, it will start from the same mode. This is a very good feature. Let me give you a back view. So this is how it looks. Alright guys, that's about it for the MT-15 modifications. If you like this vlog, do share to like, share, subscribe and share it with your friends. Till then, bye bye.